So today we're going to remove the taillight here. It's got a crack on this side. It's from scotch tape, and I took the scotch tape off and there was a crack in there. So we're right here is a new one-ish. Good shape. So we're going to put this in it. How you do it is you remove the bolts, and these bolts were already removed, so that's nice, or a bad thing. Haven't figured that out yet. Oh, there's a bulb out. Oh, that's probably why. Alright, what you need is a 7/16, and guys, I'll be back. Okay, so we're first going to put the first one in place, then Ford sure don't give you any room. Remember, there's a lip on the bottom, so it's got to go on the outside of the lip. If you don't put it on the outside of the lip, it ain't going in. That. Screws. That's it, guys. That's how you put your new light in.